So start, feet hip width apart, knees relaxed, hips in line, shoulders back and down. Imagine that string from the crown to the sky, chin parallel to the ground. One hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose. Aiming that in-breath to the lower hand. Now bringing the arms up. Inhale, reach higher with the left. Exhale with the right. Inhale left. Exhale right. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. And take hold of the left wrist with the right hand. Inhale, exhale to the right. And back to the middle. And a swap. So inhale, lengthen up. Exhale over. And back to the middle. And inhale up. Exhale over. Back to center. And inhale. And exhale. Back to center. Inhale, lengthen first. Exhale over, keep breathing. Coming back. Last one, inhale and exhale. And then coming back, bringing the arms down. And roll the shoulders back. And then forwards. And hands on the shoulders, circle the elbows. And the other way. And full arm circles. Inhale up, exhale down. Remember, only going as far as feels comfortable for you. So inhale up, exhale down. Then take the left arm forward, right arm back. And right forward, left back. Bend that left elbow, take the right hand to the elbow. And swing the arms. And then take the right arm up, bend that right elbow, take the left hand to the elbow. So stretching down through the triceps. And swinging the arms. Left arm up. If you can, take the right hand behind and bring the fingers together and wherever you get to. Quick swing and take the right one up, the left one behind. And bring the arms out in front, drop the head down, and take the arms behind, interlace the fingers. Just lifting the arms, squeezing the shoulder blades together. Now we can come into a forward bend with the arms behind, or if it's easier for you, just hold on to the elbows. If you've got the arms behind, so deep bend in the knees, rest the body on the thighs first, and then straighten the legs. So inhale, exhale, try and straighten the legs. And a deep bend in the knees, inhale, exhale, straighten. And then bend the knees and roll on up. Take the left arm in front of the body, squeeze it in, looking over the left shoulder, and then on to the other side. And then bring that arm down. So standing pose, do triangle pose. Turn that left foot 90 degrees, back foot slightly angled. So you want a line from the front heel to the back arch, and body facing forwards. And just lean to the side. Bring that left arm down and reach up with the right arm. And back to the middle. So inhale first, exhale, reach, maybe a little bit further. Just remember using the core muscles. And back to the middle. One more this side. Inhale. Exhale. Reach as far as you can. Try and lengthen through the arms. Up to the upper hand. Use the core to keep you stable, so don't lean on the leg. And you come back up, bring the arms down, turn the feet around. We're trying to keep both legs straight, shoulders above the hips, and we'll lean sideways. And come back up, one inhale, exhale, reach a little further. Right arm down, left arm up. And back to center for the last one. Inhale, exhale, reach. Keep the shoulders relaxed, but the arms lengthen. Looking up to the hand. You come back up, bring the arms down. So we'll finish with a balance, the dancer's pose. We'll stand on the left leg, take hold of the right, and then bring the left arm up. So you can work on it at your own pace. You're just coming forwards and gradually building into the pose. So we're aiming to get the foot away from the bottom. Try and straighten through the standing leg. Trying to keep the hips facing forwards with the chest open. Just wherever you get to. And come on down. And do the other side. We're standing on the right. Take hold of the left foot. Bring the right arm up. And just gradually working into the pose. So try and use the breathing. So inhale to prepare, and exhale, try and go a little bit further. And bring that leg down. So we'll finish with a good posture and the breathing. Shoulders back and down, crown to the sky, chin parallel, one hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose. Just let the belly expand on the in-breath. Try and slow the body down. So if you feel comfortable, just close the eyes for a few breaths. Open the eyes, bring the arms down, and we're all done.